Hi, my name is Eugene and this is a demo for Akool Live Camera. More specifically, I will be going over our real-time video translation and avatar tools. So if you come over to our Akool Live Camera homepage, beautiful homepage, you'll see two buttons, one for the limited access. Once you get your access and you install the camera, you can click on Open Camera and you should see this application. There are two options, real-time translation and streaming avatar. Let's start off with streaming avatar. If you click on avatar, you'll see there are many studio quality avatars that are already provided, such as her. But if you want to create your own avatar, you can do that as well. You'll see that I created an avatar out of myself yesterday. Once you are satisfied, just click on start and go to your meeting, either in Google Meet or Zoom. I am going to do Google Meet. I'm going to rejoin this meeting. And you'll see that my avatar is showing up here in front of the camera. Click on join now and my avatar should show up like so. Hi, my name is Eugene and this is a demo for Akool Live Camera, the latest feature in our Akool Live suite, one of the world's first solutions for real-time video generations. This includes live face swap, live avatars, and real-time video translation dubbing. Open the application and I can switch over to a different avatar. Click on stop, start again, and you'll see that if I rejoin the meeting, I'm joining as this avatar. I'm gonna leave the meeting, and then if I want to test out the real-time translation feature, click on stop on the avatar tool, go to real-time translation, turn on camera and mic. I can choose the target language. The input language is English and the target language, let's do Chinese for example, but you'll see there are many different language options. Click on translate. I can choose from our numerous AI voices, or you can clone your own voice. Click on start and same process, just rejoin your meeting as your avatar and click on join now.
Hi, 我叫尤金，这是 Akool Live Camera 的演示。这是我们 Akool Live 套件中的最新产品，也是全球首批实时视频生成解决方案之一。这包括实时换脸、实时虚拟形象和实时视频翻译。
Alright, thank you so much for watching.